We've got a shiro. Looks actually pretty good from here. It does. But I got it, as soon as I got it really, it pretty much developed Carp Pox. Can you see the Carp Pox? It's on the, if you look at the rear tail, it's like got a thickening on the skin and the fins. I'm hoping with age it's going to get rid of that. The sumi's coming on nice. Look at the fins, look. See the skin? Yeah. Shiro, utsuri. Nice koi, Japanese koi, can't remember the breeder, but let's see how it goes. Funny enough, I got two of them the same age, same batch, and they've both got Carp Pox the same. The other one is in there. Yeah, look. I've got one out to have a look at it. I'll measure it up and progress it, see how it develops.